Hello, techies. We are in lab 3.2.9 and we are going to Cisco BIOS basics. So in this lab, you practice entering commands and navigating through common mode. Okay, so select the CFA router and press enter, and in the terminal window, the initial command prompt, sorry about this, the command prompt exec mode where basic command and troubleshooting can be performed. Type question mark to see a list of commands available in this mode, and let's see if input from a command exceeds the screen. You'll see more at the bottom. Try using for example, type in S command that starts with net S. Type in SHV, navigating router mode. To access advanced command or configuration mode, enter N. This will change the privilege exec mode. And answer question 3 to exit this mode and return the exec mode. Enter disable. Notice the change. And okay, so to exit global configuration, enter exit. Return the global configuration mode by entering a conf t, and imagine you want to modify a setting for the fast Ethernet 01 interface. That interface to exit, return global. So let's start up. Okay, this is lab 3.2.9, and we're going to start lab. Now, in case this video appears to be too fast for you, I'm sorry about that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. Okay, so select the SFO router and press enter. So this is SFO router. We press enter, and the question says how far does the pressing enter key advance the output. So let's see, what does it do? One line. Yep. And SH V space V and press enter. SHV. Okay, let's see what happened to the command prompt after typing enable. So enable, press enter. What happens? Prompt, and that's okay. So SFO config, and this is gonna be prompt ends with. Alright, so we type in FA O /1. What happened? And yep, prompt hash. So is there anything we're missing? Let's check our answer to be sure that everything is fine. Alright, so go ahead and check our answers. Remember, if this video was helpful to you in any way, share on other platforms so that others can benefit. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.